welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya, and for those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, it is going to be all about Valentine's Day since we are approaching it. What I thought, since today's video has been sponsored by 365CANVAS, they are actually a site where you can get all things personalized, from canvases to blankets to throws to pillows to mugs, you name it. They can have things personalized with pictures, with messages, with all kinds of beautiful things. So you can have some printed for your own home or for different occasions like Christmas, holidays, anniversaries, you name it. It's your one-stop shop. Everything is done online, easy, quick. And so I'm super excited when they reached out to me. Since we are living so much hardship right now, I thought it was the perfect little occasion to give a little bit of happiness back. I do believe that Valentine's Day has been a little bit overrated, and that you should love your loved ones all year round, all the time. And it's not by buying little gifts that show that, but I do think that it can uplift the spirits of people and just make them extra happy. So what I was thinking of doing is going to some of my family members and just stopping off and just dropping off the little gifts just to brighten up their day. So I thought these were the perfect gifts. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to share all the gifts that I got and what I end up creating. I'm going to actually create little packages for each family member. So I thought it would be fun to share that and how I put the little packages together, how I wrap them. And then the other part of the video is actually going to be a DIY. As you guys can see, I still have not taken down my Christmas decorations. I can't do it, but I know I need to do it. We're getting closer to Valentine's Day, so this girl's gotta take those decorations down. So what I was thinking, since I'm gonna be taking that wreath down, that I've gotten used to having something on that door, so if I take it down, I feel it's gonna be empty now. So what I was thinking of doing is creating another wall piece for that space right there. So I'm gonna do a Valentine's Day one. You guys know I love to use my natural earthy pieces, so I'm gonna use my shells. Whatever I can find in nature, I'm gonna use it. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. So we're gonna jump into the haul part, and then I'm going to also do the DIY at the end. For my first pieces, I actually got these two gifts, one for me. I had to get myself a little gift, and then one for my husband. So they are these cute little mugs. This one says Mr. Right, and it says his name on it, Alex. And then this one says Mrs. Always Right, and then it says my name. I just thought they were super cute, and I just loved the message. It's true. So what I was thinking of doing is just creating because he loves his tea. So I thought it would be fun to have his favorite teas, and then to put some little goodies like chocolates and his candies, and just create a little package of sugar and goodies for him. So that's what I got my husband. So then I also got my mom one. My mom is a huge coffee drinker. She loves her coffee and actually her teas, but I would say her coffee mostly. So I got her this cute mug, and it says, "Mom, you're the best, I love you." And it has all the nutritional facts in the back. It says devotion and care 200%, patience 300%, mama bear instincts 400, hard work 500, unconditional love 1000%. So I just thought it was super cute. I had to get it. My mom loves her sugar. She loves her sweet. She has a sweet tooth, my mom. So she loves her cookies, her cakes, all things sugary, her chocolates. So I thought it would create a whole little package with all her favorite goodies in there. This is just a little thought, and I know she'll love it. So I'm super excited. I haven't seen my mom that often because of what's going on right now. We're in total lockdown in Montreal. So stores are closed, everything's closed. So the good thing about 365CANVAS is that I was able to buy everything online and ship directly to your doorstep. So I couldn't go to the stores and buy all kinds of stuff. So that is so good. And anyway, I know she'll love it. on to my older sister. So we are actually three girls. I have two sisters, one that's older and one that's younger. My first sister, which her name is Tanya, she's sort of a hippie granola. I always used to call her that, hippie granola. So she's a sort of lower key version of me, sort of. She's very spiritual. She loves her tarot cards and she loves her flowers. I would call her more of a flower child. She has a son and she used to sing to him all the time this song from when he was a baby to now. She sings this song. It's her go-to song. She loves it so much, and it's just a meaningful song to her. It's "You Are My Sunshine, My Only Sunshine." So what I thought, since my sister just recently moved into her new place, I thought I would get her a pillow. We know how much I love pillows, and my sister loves pillows just as much as I do. So I thought it was the perfect little gift. It says, "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine." And then obviously my sister's a flower child, so I got these sunflowers printed here. It's super soft. It's just a great little throw pillow. I think it'll look so good on her bed. That's where I'm seeing it, in her bedroom, because my sister loves all white. So I just think that it'll look great. It'll add a little bit of a pop of color. I'm sure she's gonna love it. That's what I really love about this company, is that you can personalize gifts with messages and just pictures, or just things that are more heartfelt and warm. I know my sister's gonna love it. So I got her these pillows, and then I'm doing a little package of all kinds of more spiritual things for my sister. To my younger sister, she is one of those people who actually love to snuggle up in throws and watch TV and get all cozy. She's like the throw queen. So when I saw that they were selling throws, I knew that I had to get her one. I got her this one, and it says, "There is no better friend than a sister." And then at the bottom of the row, it says, "There is no better sister than you." So I thought this was super cute. I took a bunch of our pictures and then I put it on the throw. And then it's double layered, and it has some sort of sharpa inside. So it's super snuggly, super soft. I just think it makes the throw all the more special. She can put it at the end of her bed, or she can just snuggle up on it on her couch. So I thought it was super cute. I love it. I got this one where it was more for my sister, but there's so many different ones. There's some for anniversaries. I actually was looking at one for me and my husband, so I might go back and get another one. But right now it was all about my family. I actually ended up getting her a pajama and other little trinkets, so I'm going to show you her little package as well. On to my last gift. This is actually a hard one to share with you guys because it's more on a personal level. This is something that our family has been living right now for the past weeks. It's been a pretty rough couple of weeks. My husband actually just lost his mother, and it's not to COVID. It actually was cancer. But it was so unexpected. It was something we were not expecting, and she was like super healthy, super in shape. She was actually in better shape than I was, so we were all shocked. It's just been a hard couple of weeks, and I mean, his mom was his best friend. I mean, they had a bond that was completely like inseparable. She was such a great mom, and she did such a beautiful job with her son, and I know she'll live through her son. This gift that I'm going to show you guys, my husband's dad actually wanted to get a huge picture of her printed to put in the house, just to, you know, to remember her by. So what I did is I got a picture of her printed, and I'm sorry you guys, it's reflecting right now because of the plastic that they put on there, but I got this really big canvas printed, and it is so her. She was a very funky, stylish woman. I mean, she was sort of like me, but in an older woman, you know. It's so her, with her bedazzled jacket and her blue glasses and her necklaces, and she was just so fashionable. I got this printed and I thought it came out so beautiful. I know it's a little bit hard to see, but usually when you get printed things on canvases, the colors can come out a little bit not what you expect. but the colors were super beautiful. Everything came out amazing, and I can't wait to give the dad this gift because I know he'll love it so much. When we opened it, me and my husband, we both started crying because it was just so special. This picture is so her. So I thought I would share it with you guys, even if it's not the happiest memory, but it's still something that is special and I did want to share with you. I can't wait to give it to him. Anyway, that's the last gift. Jump right into the DIY part of the video, and I thought since we're in the whole Valentine's Day theme, I thought I would create a Valentine's Day DIY for you guys. What better than to do a wall hanging of some sort? You don't need to keep it up for Valentine's Day. I think it's one of those DIYs that you can keep it up all year round, so that's the great part. Anyway, I hope you love it as much as I do. I'm super happy about how it turned out, and we're going to jump into the clip right now and show you guys the whole process. Enjoy, guys. hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It means the world to me. I know I keep saying it, I sound like a broken record, but it really does. All your beautiful comments, your thumbs up, they melt my heart. They really do. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys always. Have an amazing day. Mwah.